Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to JBL Portable App on JBL Authentics 200. You can see here that I have my JBL Authentics 200 and you cannot connect to JBL Portable App, but you can connect to JBL One app. Download it from App Store or Google Play Store and then open it. A pop-up about connecting to the speaker will show up. Click on connect. Then it will play a sound. Click on the heart icon to confirm you want to connect. Now you can connect to Wi-Fi. To connect to Wi-Fi, choose a network and enter the password. Then press on connect. And now it's connected. Then it will check for updates. After that, press on done. You can activate Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, or click on later and activate it later. Now you can click on your JBL Authentics speaker and it's ready to use. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.